Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will discuss about a tool which can extract details about any business in any city. First of all, you have to download it from this website touchsoftwares.com. After downloading and installation, open it. As you can see, I have already opened it. First of all, put the keyword about the business in this box. I am putting hotel. Hotel is a keyword. Now you have to put the city name in this box. London. Mark these options too for emails and contact details. Now just click start. Now you have to wait for it. As you can see, the software is collecting information about the business you entered. It will depend upon your internet speed. You can see the software is collecting some results. You can see the software collected some results. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe the channel for more and keep watching our videos. Thanks for watching.